This segment is sponsored by Loudoun Credit Union. Loudoun Credit Union has moved to a new location in downtown Leesburg, Virginia. I took a tour of the new space as it was being renovated to learn why Loudoun Credit Union CEO Michael Falvey is so excited to join this historic community. Take a look. So Michael, we're here in downtown historic Leesburg, the new location for Loudoun Credit Union. What do you love so much about this area?
That it is a historic downtown location, and that there's so much availability for our own staff to take advantage of. I mean, between restaurants and coffee shops and everything else.
Yeah.
And for our members to be able to have something else to do other than just go in and make a deposit or take out a loan or something.
Yeah. So, Michael, I'm so excited to see your space. Tell me a little bit more about it.
Well, it was built in the late 1800s. It's been a butcher shop. It's been a million different restaurants.
We want to get a tour, but before we do, we'd love to hear more about the story behind the move.
Well, it's been really exciting. I got to Leesburg a little over a year ago, and one of the things that we were looking for was a new location. And we looked at all of the local stuff, you know, another strip mall or another government building, and you know, we were very fortunate to come across this building and work with Leesburg Economic Development, and one step after another, and here we are. I mean, I know you probably can't tell by looking at where we are today, but...
You mentioned strip malls. Of course, Loudoun County is thriving. We're growing. There's no shortage of strip malls and sort of generic retail locations. Why was it so important for Loudoun Credit Union to land here in historic downtown Leesburg?
Couple of reasons. I mean, history's important. I mean, we started literally across the street 50 years ago in the old city hall, in the old town hall, and everything around us, all of these developments are being recreated to be this.
Yeah.
You know, and why not just be here?
Right.
You know, and the people are wonderful. There's the restaurants and all the other local businesses around.
Yeah.
I think it's just great for us to be here.
The mayor of the town of Leesburg, what are your thoughts about Loudoun Credit Union coming here to a historic downtown Leesburg?
Oh gosh, we are so excited. We are delighted that they decided they wanted to come back to downtown. The credit union is an institution that has helped so many people here in Leesburg and Loudoun County, and to have them headquartered right here in the downtown is just very exciting for us, and we know it's going to be a great addition to the downtown.
Obviously, you can see that the space is not finished. There's still work happening. When it's all said and done, how do you envision this space looking and feeling and the use of it?
This particular room that you're in, we're going to use for our own conference room and our own board of directors, but we're also going to make it available to the community to use for local charity meetings and stuff that just can't find another place to go. The section over, the main section is the main banking area. Again, tellers, some customer service, the basics that you need, but it's, and an ATM.
Yeah.
And then upstairs we have just general offices.
General offices. And then the aesthetic, you're really maintaining that charm, that historic look on the outside of the building.
Well, I think we've really tried to honor the historical significance of the building, and we've tried to maintain the color schemes that the town wants, and really not to do anything crazy with it.
Yeah.
You know, on the inside of the building, we're trying to make it modern and accessible, ADA accessible, and all of that. But we're also trying to be respectful of the history again.
Why was it so important for you to share with us the process and the journey towards completion of this space?
Because it's a community effort.
Yeah.
It's the mayor, it's economic development, it's the inspectors, it's the local contractors, it's the local workers that are here every day and Sunday and Saturday just trying to get us done. I just want other people to appreciate what everybody has been doing. This isn't one person doing it or two person. This is literally a village.
And Michael, it will all be official when you put the sign out front. I understand this is a special sign.
The signs are going to be really special. The Loudoun, through our connections with the Loudoun Education Foundation, we were able to make an intro to the schools, and the shop departments and the art departments are actually doing the physical signs for our building.
Yeah.
The 2-yard arm signs will go on the front of the building, and a long wall sign on the other side. So it's cool. I mean, the kids are excited about it. We're excited about it.
Well, Michael, congratulations. You are going to be an amazing community partner here to the, just thriving downtown historic Leesburg community. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. If you or your business live, work, learn, or worship in Loudoun County, Loudoun Credit Union invites you to stop by and say hello. No appointment necessary. They're located at 6 West Market Street in Leesburg, Virginia. And to learn what it means to have a financial partner for life, visit loudoncu.com.